हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सुब्रजीत एजुकेशन ऑल में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं म्यूजिक एंड इमोर्टैलिटी। देयर इज ए टॉम इन ग्वालियर which is shaded by the branches of an tamarind tree. It is said that a singer can emphasize his or her music skill by just eating one leaf from one tree. This is Tom of India's greatest music man Tansen, whose music was unsharing that is scale. Numerous the soil where his ashes and buried almost 600 years ago. Tansen was born to Mukkan Misra and his wife after they died, gone to the great Sufi as saint and musician Hazrat Muhammad Ghaus begging of for a child. Mukkan Misra was a poet and a lover of music, so when a son was born to him, Mukkan hoped that he could become a musician and named him Tansen, the master of Tanzen or musical notes. Tansen, however, showed no interest in music while growing up. Instead, he liked to spend his time in the forest chasing animals and imitating their sound. One day, while he was sitting on a tree, creeping like sparrows, he saw a group of travellers coaching the forest. As the travellers drew near, Tansen took a drop. Uh, Tansen took a drop breath and let out a loud roar. The people, thinking that a lion was nearby, ran for their lives. But when they heard a young boy laughing at their territory, they realized they had been fooled. An old man uh, among the travel resisted the Tansen to come down from the tree. Come down, the old man said gently. I am not angry with you. I am not to talk to you about that roar. I was very convinced they have great talent. Tansen taken from the tree. I am a Gwalior Guru Haridas. The old man said, who were the parents? I could like to meet them. Then Then, uh, then the gu- uh, then the Guru Haridas was a renowned saint and Music teacher. When Tansen took him to his house, his parent recognized Guru Haridas instantly. Mukkan Misra, I have come to talk to you about your son, said the Guru. He has great talent. I could like to take him with me to any ashram and train him as my sishyas disciples. At Guru Haridas Ashram, Tansen began learning the traditional of Indian classical music. He perfected his skill under Guru Haridas, and now when he sang, nature responded. When he sang Raga Todi to evoke the animal spirit, squirrels, deer, and rabbit came scampering into the ashram. When he sang Megha Malahara, cloud began to form in the sky. Tansen trained with his guru for 10 years. When he was about 20, his father died. Just before he passed away, Mukkan Misra told his son to go and see फिर बाबा मोहम्मद गौस इन ग्वालियर. The old Faith was happy to see the boy and to learn that he had received training in music. Training in music from the great Guru Haridas, but now your training in the ashram is over. He told Tansen, it is time for you to train in the real world. Taking leave from his guru, Tansen began to live with Muhammad Ghaus. He spent the next 3 years perfecting his skill under Gua's guardians. During this time, Fir Baba arranged for him to sing in Gwalior court, and also he heard often musician there. Soon the word of Tansen's talent spread. He was asked to be King Ramchandra's court musician and a son after he was asked to join Empire Akbar court. Then given that in Agra, Tansen was given a warm welcome. Akbar introduced him to his court official and musician the following morning. Tansen received a message from the Europe Empire. Tansen knew that his performance could be a test of all his years of training. Tansen, the royal Darbar court was crowded that evening when Tansen arrived Empire. Akbar stepped down from his throne and led him to an asan set in the sanctuary. Soon the court of the courtroom were closed and the lighters were dimmed. Then began his alap, introduced to the raga. The listeners felt that they had translated the boundaries of earth and heard some etherless place. There was a horrible silence in the court after he stopped singing, and then the empires began. It grew and grew when he looked towards the empire. He saw him standing to clapping. Mian Tansen said the empire, you are a true jewels. From today you can become one Navaratna, our most precious 9 jewels. ये जो वर्ड्स फाइल है ना, ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. ये फ्यूचर में आपको काम यूजफुल हो सकता है. देन कम्स टू नेक्स्ट पेज. What about next page? Tansen time spread thoughtly the country. Kings and princes from all over came to hear him sing. Tansen became such a favorite of the Mughal Empire that the other musicians grew jealous and sought of ways to decorate him. But Tansen always managed to defeated then their court contest. One day they proposed to the empire the Tansen cloud. The Tansen accepted the challenges. The night empire Akbar went to Tansen's house and began him to reconsider but Tansen was adamant. I beg your favoration and disobedience there, but I must accept his challenge. I cannot let my guru and my goddess be insulted by refusing to reform one day of the most beautiful raga of the traditional. Then, yes, Tansen replied, if a singer capable it summoning the element can sing raga megha, I can be saved But who will sing Ragamegha? Said the empire. There is a someone who came complised his feet. Her name is Rupa. She was a student with him, with me, and my guru's ashram. She was completed knowledge of this ragha. I could like to train her for 15 days, said Tansen. Tansen brought Rupa to Agra and began to train her. On the 16th day, the court was prepared of the big event. Large unlit lamps were placed around Tansen Asan. A big bowl of cold water was put on the table, and a pile of dry wood was stacked in the courtyard. Rupa herself sat facing Tansen front. Finally, Akbar gave the single for the music to begin, and Tansen began his alive opening notes as not behold. Upon once the people in the court began to feel unusually warm when Tansen traditional too. इसका जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है ना, ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है, मैं आपको और एक चैनल में इसका क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आपको बताऊंगा। आप अगर इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और कमेंट कीजिए। अब कमेंट करना, ये क्वेश्चन आंसर है, ये मैं आपको बताऊंगा सिंपली, एंड यू रिकॉल एवरीथिंग। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।